Oh, this is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. And tonight, me and my daughter are going on an adventure, and we are asking that you join us. We're going to see a live nativity scene with actors and animals, and it's on Mountaintop Ministries over by near Chambersburg, PA. And it's absolutely free. They put this on every year. They have cookies and chocolate milk and a petting zoo, and you can either walk through it or drive through it. So sit back and follow us on this adventure as we go see a live nativity scene, since it is the holiday season. Well, me and my daughter have arrived to Mountaintop Ministries here over by Chambersburg, PA, and to see the live nativity scene and enjoy the lights and the decorations. So follow us on this adventure as we go see baby Jesus nativity scene. Got a big flag hanging there from the trees. A lot of cars coming to this event. It's a free event. You just ask for donations. So we're going to walk around and just...
You brought a couple dollars with them?
Yeah, I brought a few dollars just to throw in, to be nice and donate to their cause for the church. I guess this is the beginning here. It says drive through and it points to the left, so we'll go in this direction.
Up there? What? Do you have any more handicaps? One really tight spot.
Got a little heater there going, keep people warm. Got some hot chocolate. You want hot chocolate? Here, you want to drop these quarters into the donation there? There's a little box right here. Thank you, ma'am. God bless you. Merry Christmas. I'm going to donate our $3. I decided to bring something. Got us some hot chocolate here to enjoy. You want some cookies, Epi, or you got cookies?
Thank you. Would you like some?
Oh, did she get some for me?
I get one pack.
I need my own.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I got one.
She got a pack for her brother. I didn't really want a cookie. I just wanted some hot chocolate, but my daughter got cookies for her and her brother. That was very nice of you to get for your brother.
Well, if he's not here, I figured he's probably going to want cookies.
And up here is
M&M cookies too.
singing and a little fire to keep warm. They got the nativity scene here. I can see the angels. Look, I got some birds here in the birdhouse. Pigeons. Looks like pigeons.
I did see that little white one. You hear them?
Are them doves? Pigeons. Doves, I think. Yeah, they're doves. The pretty white one up there.
Look at that real fuzzy one down there.
You got a little fuzzy brown one down there.
The black and white one in the back. You see the black and white one in the back? The one that's to the left of that, that one's the special.
Over here they got Looks like a little petting zoo. Oh, there's a goat, Epi. Yeah. How's it going, buddy? Buddy?
Jimmy, don't go behind him. He'll take you.
What's that? Oh, there's a chicken sitting on the bench right there. Oh, thank you. Oh, they got rabbits, Epi. Yeah, look, you can pet them. That looks like panda. So does this one.
Look how much they look like panda.
Yeah, my daughter has a rabbit the same color.
Yeah, I do.
They got the top.
Oh, the
open.
top?
The top. Yeah, see the top?
Hi, baby. Oh, it's so cute. It's so fuzzy. They're so cute. I wish Panda was that tame. Panda's not that tame. She runs around all the time.
You can take him out and hold. Oh, look at this pretty brown one right there.
Oh.
Or black. He's almost black, ain't he? It's a pretty color. It's gray. Oh, here's a goat. Oh, look at the white one. He's cute.
Oh, they're so sweet.
Oh, look, he wants to eat the camera.
Hi, buddy.
I ain't got no food, buddy. I got hot chocolate.
Sweet.
Exit down this way. Well, they got all kinds of rabbits, don't they? I think the brown one and gray one are kind of cute.
Yeah, they're so cute.
I just saw that dog. What did it just do?
Yeah, I know that them two did look like panda. Wow, look, I've never seen this color of goat before, like brown. That was like a long-haired one.
I know, right? It looks like those long-haired doggies.
So they do have a lot of goats and rabbits for the kids to pet here, which is
You can
really
take the
neat.
rabbits out and then hold them.
Yeah, you can actually take the rabbits out and hold them. They got people in costume, and we're about to go over and see the nativity scene and watch some of the caroling. Thank you, sir.
Oh my god! Look. Actually, no.
Yeah, he's still sitting there.
He's just chilling.
Oh, look, the little donkeys. Now, do you know the story of the marking on the back, Epi?
At least I
Epi.
can't remember it. No.
Look at the dark lines on the back of the donkey.
Yeah.
Jesus' mother, Mary, rode a donkey for Jesus to be born. So, they say that the donkey has the cast of the shadow of the cross when Jesus was crucified. So, there's actual cross on the back of the donkey. You see it?
Yeah. Because see, there's like a line down the back.
From the crucifixion.
Look
Yep.
how tame this one is. He's so sweet.
Look at those over there.
They're so flat.
So that's the story of the line on the back of the donkey's back, they say.
It's a good fire going there.
Now, nativity scene's right over here with the angels, and I got a little campfire here. Keep warm.
More chicken. Where's that dog?
Got the nativity scene here. Uh-huh. Oh, they do have a camel. So we have Joseph and Mary, baby Jesus, and all the angels.
Yeah, you're already there.
Okay.
Over here we got the 3 wise men. That's what that is.
Oh, my goodness. You want to feed him?
Want to feed him?
Yep, hold your flat for me. There you go.
Do you know what the 3 gifts was, Epi, that they brought to baby Jesus? The 3 gifts?
No.
Myrrh, frankincense, and gold.
Yep.
Oh, he just wants a big kiss, don't he?
Thank you, sir.
I got to feed a camel today.
Yeah.
I've never done
I've rode a camel before.
I've never done that before. I've rode an elephant. I've never rode a camel.
Our finest gifts we bring, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, to set before the King, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. So to honor him, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, when we come, little baby, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. I'm a poor boy too, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. I have no gifts to bring, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. That's fit to give our King, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. Shall I play for you, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, on my drum? Mary nodded, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. The ox and lamb kept time, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. I played my drum for him, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. I played my best for him, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum, rum-pa-pum-pum. Then he smiled at me, pa-rum-pa-pum-pum, me and my drum.
Very pretty. Get you in the mood for Christmas. Does that get you in the mood for Christmas? I got a little prayer chapel here. You can pray, and I got some pamphlets. Makes it nice. You can go in and pray if you need to. Got the angel above the angel. I didn't see that. Oh, look at the peacock. Is them peacocks?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, got some peacocks over here.
See the camel? I'm not sure what
Pheasants.
kind of bird that is.
That's a pheasant.
Oh,
Yeah, now them aren't the pheasants that you hunt. They're more blue collared.
that golden.
Them are actually golden Chinese pheasants, I believe. They come from China.
That's cool. That's cool how they get.
Have you ever heard a pheasant holler? It sounds like a kid screaming when they holler. Your mom had one at the farm when she was little, but they sound just like a kid crying when they holler.
That's gotta be creepy because imagine there's just one in the middle of the woods and it just screams and sounds like a little kid.
Them golden pheasants are really pretty. Pretty collars, yeah.
You like the birds.
I'm pretty, especially them golden pheasants. Then we got some chickens. All kinds of different chickens.
Really small chickens, huh?
I wanted to raise some chickens.
They're hard to take care of.
They're actually easy to take care of, but our zone won't let us have chickens where we live. And I was so disappointed because I wanted to raise some chickens and gather eggs, and it just never happened.
They're still cool to at least look at.
They're not real hard to take care of. You just gotta keep their ground changed every once in a while. Feed and water. They gotta have a little shelter. Go one more time here for a look around. Got a nice little campfire going here to get warm. Little Toto dog. Yeah. Little doggy there. Nice warm fire going. So that's about it, folks. I think there's one more little building of animals here. It's a nice little thing ran by the church, and it's absolutely free. And they only ask for donations, which I think most people give $2 or $3 to help the church out. Yeah, who wouldn't? So me and my daughter gave like $3 in quarters. Got us a hot chocolate. Look at the doves one more time. So that's about it, folks. It's just a little thing to come out and see, not live nativity scene, and me and my daughter decided to come in here. It is the 23rd of December, just one day away from Christmas Eve and 2 days away from Christmas Day, and we wanted to put something out this week before we enjoyed the holidays. And me and my family wish you and yours very happy holidays and a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. And if you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to let you know when we upload new videos. Feel free to leave comments and suggestions of things that you'd like to see in the future, and we'll try to film that for you. Till then, this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. And once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's from my family to yours. Till next time, goodbye.